Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2031 code? This code indicates a problem in the exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit on bank 1 sensor 2. If ignored, it can affect emission control, catalyst protection, and exhaust system efficiency. P2031 stands for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, bank 1 sensor 2. In simple terms, the ECU is not receiving a proper signal from the second exhaust temperature sensor on bank 1. This sensor helps monitor exhaust heat to protect the catalytic converter and emission system. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced fuel efficiency, high exhaust temperatures, emission test failure, and, in some diesel vehicles, regeneration issues. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The exhaust gas temperature sensor bank 1 sensor 2 is usually located on the exhaust pipe after the turbocharger and near or after the catalytic converter. It is threaded directly into the exhaust system and connected with a heat-resistant wiring harness. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located. The catalytic converter and diesel particulate filter are also positioned along the exhaust system underneath the vehicle. For quick diagnosis, start by checking live exhaust temperature readings using an obd2 scanner. If the reading is fixed, unrealistic, or not changing, the sensor or circuit may be faulty. Then inspect the sensor wiring near the exhaust for melting, heat damage, or loose connectors. Check for corrosion or open circuits in the harness. If the sensor is damaged or not responding, replacement of the exhaust gas temperature sensor is required. Finally, repair damaged wiring, replace the faulty sensor, clear the code, and perform a full drive cycle to confirm the fix. Fixing P2031 will help maintain proper exhaust temperature monitoring and protect the emissions system.